Tips in removing linoleum from wood flooring. It doesn't matter if you have just moved into a new home or are tackling a renovation project in your current residence. The process of removing linoleum from wood flooring can be a pain. However, if you know the right tools that should be used and are aware of a few simple tips and tricks, it is a whole lot easier to reveal your wood flooring. Before you try calling on a professional to handle linoleum removal, you can try the steps below and see how easy the process actually can be. What do you need? Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure you have the right tools around for easy access. The things that you will need most include a knife, adhesive remover, or boiling hot water. How to begin? When you begin, it is always a good idea to start with small section only. Trying to tackle the entire project at one time will be a bit overwhelming and leave you looking for someone else to handle the job. If you are dealing with a large room, try sectioning it off and working little by little until the project is completely done. Cut and peel. Once you are ready to begin working in small sections, you can start by cutting and peeling the linoleum. This is only for linoleum that is not already cracked. If linoleum is not yet cracked, you must cut and then begin pulling it off. It is usually a good idea to remove the linoleum before you try to remove the adhesive that is attached. The hard part. Getting the linoleum off your hardwood floor is not that bad until you have to begin removing the adhesive. It is pretty easy to cut and pull the linoleum off, but adhesive can be more of a pain to remove. You can give adhesive remover a try, but it does not always work effectively at lifting adhesive. Whenever you are trying to remove linoleum from hardwood floors, you should always be very careful. Make sure you don't apply too much pressure, because that will only harm the hardwood underneath. For more information, please visit www.allfloors.ca. Thank you.